garage, the break room. I like the break room. Lady doesn't let Dom park cars in here. However, there's a room in this garage with no cars parked. That means no work for this guy. You know what I'm talking about. You guys enjoying your visit to San Francisco? Yeah, good stuff, right? Got the big gold bridge, the old prison out on the island. Sorry about the weather this week. All week long, hot or wet or both. Boy, if I didn't know any better, I'd think I was in Florida. Yeah. Oh, my name is Pat. Oh, and that's Mia. She's gonna invite us all to a party.
Hey, Pat. I see our party goers have arrived.
Yeah, they just got here. Mia, say hello to everybody.
Hey, everybody. I'm Mia, Dom's sister. Well, another race just wrapped, and it looks like my brother and another car for his collection.
Of course.
Honestly, I don't know why anybody challenges him.
I don't know.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room.
Oh, that's
Dom says
nice.
he doesn't have friends, he has family.
That's nice
The
too.
faces you see on these walls are our family.
I want to be
And in this
family.
room, I feel like we're all together again.
One day.
Welcome to our family.
One day my face is going to be up on that wall. Hey, Tej, you and Mia?
All right. What's up, Mia?
Hey, Tej, just welcoming these good people to our family. How are their rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out and roll out in style.
It's a bus, Tej.
I'll let Dom know. You guys have fun at the party.
Bye, Mia.
Bye, Mia.
All right, Pat.
Yeah.
Let's get these people on their way.
Will
Send
do.
them over to the wall.
All right. Hey, Tej, can you pick me up here for the party? Oh, man. Yeah, I'm still trying to get enough scratch put together to buy my car back from Dom after he won it from me. But don't worry about me, guys. I'll, I don't know, maybe catch an Uber or something. Go ahead, go to that war room, enjoy your party bus. Yeah, of course I went to public school. Party and bus are two words I do not associate together.
Well, hi everybody! Well, you guys are not really friendly, are you? Well, welcome in anyways. My name is Jamie, short for Jamie. There's no abbreviation for it. But we are going to get you on some party buses to a party celebrating Mr. Dominic Toretto, of course. Are you guys excited for that party? Alrighty. Well, to get you on your way there, we have to get those party buses ready. Now, normally my boss Tej would be right here with us. He's not. He won't be. Miss him. But he's not working on your party buses right now, so we're just waiting
Jamie,
on
the buses are here.
a call. Oh, hi. Well, we've got party goers. We could do like a swap. You've got a call.
I got this, Jamie.
I'll be here.
Dom, what up?
Sitting.
Tej, just got a heads up from Hobbs. The FBI's about to raid your location.
Sorry, what?
Man, they always ruining our fun.
What do you mean by
It
always?
gets worse. They're leading Owen Shaw right to your
I
door.
don't think I know who that is.
Shaw, that cockroach we beat down in Spain?
He's a cockroach.
What's he got to do with this?
I'm allergic.
Nothing yet.
Oil and water.
Let's keep it that way.
We don't mix.
Get those people on those buses.
I could probably do
You
that.
need to start bugging out right now.
Ooh, what kind of
And
bug?
get that turbo truck
I
ready.
make a good beetle.
I'm sending Letty there to pick it up.
I can give her a call.
I'm on it.
We're not.
Hobbs needs our help. He needs our
I'm
team.
really sad now.
Spread the word. But keep it in our family.
Which family?
And keep it quiet.
I'll keep my trap shut. Oh, and there's Hobbs.
It's Hobbs.
Oh,
Hobbs, my man. What
did I
up?
say it wrong?
Sorry, Brother Tej, no time for chit-chat. I just sent you a brief on FBI agent Novak. Has Toretto filled you in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He wants us to get everybody over to the party at Sullivan's.
That's your party.
Sounds like a plan. The party is a ready-made diversion. Keep it going.
What?
We need to discuss how you're gonna get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
Wait, civilians, I thought they were family.
Okay, hold on.
Who are you?
Let me get everybody squared away.
Bam.
And we'll talk offline.
Really good liars, too.
Copy that, Tej, and let everybody know. Shut off your cell phones. We don't want Shaw tracking your locations.
Silent works, too.
Okay, Jamie, you heard the man.
I did.
It's about to go to a whole nother level.
The second one.
Send everybody to the loading dock.
He means that way. He gets really cryptic when he's nervous. Anyways, good luck, party goers. Have fun. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Or do it anyways. I'm not the boss of you.
Listen up. Before you load your party bus, all party goers should be aware of the following racing restrictions. Due to the nature For your safety, you must remain seated and keep your hands and feet inside the party bus at all times.
You're fine. Here's the problem.
You've got a problem, you said.
Enjoy the ride.
Yeah, Tony's too good for us now.
Guys, thanks! Thank you! Is it animals available for support? Go back to the beach and going to a party. What's the party bus?
Hey, Jason Bourne.
Okay, Jason Bourne is good!
Listen up, everybody. My man Hobbs wants to talk directly to y'all, so I'm patching him through now.
My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service. And as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge. There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come. He'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, we're gonna keep you safe from us. We keep you safe. We need your help. So please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras. Because one flash or ringtone could give us away. Remember, you got a problem? Let's deal with it together.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party. And what other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Damn.
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of this.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Shaw traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. The Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Okay, gang. No flash photography and no cell phones. And keep very quiet.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you won't get fried.
This is our turn. Okay, guys, it's showtime. Come to the left. This thing ain't moving fast enough. Roman, Lenny, hook him up. Now we're moving.
the bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys did good out there. And you're welcome to join our crew anytime.
All right. Let's forget about all that mess. The party is here. The party is now. Time to act a fool.
Attention party goers, please remain fully seated at all times.
Now, it didn't go so well at speed limit, so why would they just